Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another plan with me. And look at this beautiful handmaids. Super adorable. I thought it was cute. I happen to have two, so I'm going to do a giveaway. So I will announce that next week on my next plan with me. But I've got two of these, so we're going to use one, and that's going to be the theme for the week. So let's go ahead and get started. I left it open or I left it unopened, but it slides out easily. This one's going to be pretty quick. I grabbed a couple of washi. I have some rose, which is gold, and then I have some black and gold, and I thought these just looked really good for it. I'm also going to give these away. I'll give the remainder of what is left over. So let's go ahead and get started putting our washi down. I'm going to go ahead and grab my, where is it? Of course I misplaced it, didn't I? Oh no, here it is. I'm going to grab my gift card. It's November 2nd, so holy smokes, I already have my Christmas gift card out. I have them for years, but that's all right. And I'm going to use this one here as well. And just covering up my own little branding there. I did make these myself, so if you would like to use these, then all you need to do is go to the link that I'll put in there for you. And it's on my Google Docs, and you can go ahead and print those out and use them for free. Hope you can see there. Twisted that one a little bit, so that's what I like about washi. You just lift it right back up. I almost grabbed some duck washi, but I wasn't sure if those would lift back up. Now I'm glad that I didn't. So let me know in the comments below what you did for Halloween, and if you don't celebrate it, that's fine too. You can just put on, just write on there, lights out, and that'll be fine. You know, I went over to my grandkids' house, and speaking of lights out, I have the Alexa app, so all my lights are, you know, hooked up to her, so I just have to say to turn them off or use my phone, and my phone died. So I was over there and could not turn off my automatic porch lights. So I felt so bad because I wasn't home and the porch light was on. My living room light was on. My front driveway lights were on. They all get turned on automatically by the Ring. So I just felt horrible. I mean, not by the Ring, by the Alexa. But I felt so horrible because the Ring kept going off with people, and oh, I felt so bad. So I'm just going to use this one to go right over the top of just one, because don't worry, I'm going to save you some of this washi. This one's going to be a little hard because I didn't leave enough room here. There we go. And then I'm going to do this side. I love it, and I think I'm going to put just a little bit up here as well. Now, I've got this. I know this is my second page. These are my Thursday through Saturday. So I have these pointing that way. Now, on my Monday through Wednesdays, I'm going to have them going the other way. I'm going to line these up. This one's going to be harder for me because I'm crazy like that and don't know how to do my opposite hand. So hopefully it's going to stay straight. Can you see? Okay. I think that one came out okay. It did. And then I'm just going to leave that one going like that. I think we're good. I'll do one more right here going that way. Sorry, can't see. Again, I'm kind of inept when it comes to not using the right hand. I am definitely not ambidextrous. I believe my brother was, and he was left-handed, so, but we didn't know. So there we go. I think that's good. It's okay that they don't match up. I don't know if I'm saying that for you or if I'm saying that for me, but I'm okay with it. And I think one little bit here, and then we're going to be done. I don't have anything but a convention. I'm doing the Stampin' Up! Convention. It's going to be all online, and it's all day on Saturday, so I just need that little tiny space because that's what I'm doing. So there you go. I'm done with the washi. This is going to go in my giveaway. This is my other washi. And there you go. So let me know what you did for Halloween in the comments. Again, if you didn't do anything, just write lights out. And if you did dress up, let me know what you dressed up as. Or what your grandkids dressed up as. Or your kids, whatever you like. Or a neighborhood friend. It doesn't matter to me. Alright, let's get started. I definitely know this little girl has to be on here. And let me tell you, I know that these are stickers, but I don't want to ruin them because they're like 3 layered stickers. And if you want, you could take off the sticker, take off this part off of the sticker, and just use that. And then you'd have 2 different stickers. See there? These will come off. But I'm going to have these nice and full, and I have no problem at all with them being nice and full like that. Now I can move this all the way over to this edge and down at the bottom because I know when I put my hole punch, it's going to go on this side and on this side. So isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I'm already excited. This is another fun one. I don't think I'm going to use this one though. I think I'm going to stick with more of the blacks and the whites. But I'm going to put this one here. And I think I'm going to put that right on here. Again, knowing that I need to put my holes there. And then I want this chandelier to go right in the middle of my Thursday type page. So be careful with these stickers. Remember, the part on the bottom part of the sticker, it will tear. Fortunately, the only part that tore was the part that is the other part of the paper. I just think this will be adorable, kind of hanging right there. Look at how cute that is. Can you see that? Where to go? There you go. And then I've got all these little fun purses and whatnot on here. These would make adorable cards as well. Put that right there. I still have enough room for my hole punch. If not, that's when I get out my single hole punches. And then this one here, we've got a fan. This is a hairbrush here. It's just super cute, the stuff that's on here. Oh, I'm going to put this right here on self-care. And then I'll put this little one. And I'm going to leave those 3 for other, oh, actually there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to leave those 5 for maybe a card. I'm going to put this one right down here. Yeah, right here. And that's it, you guys. I may add some extra things, but if I do, they're going to be either gold or black. But if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button if you want to see more of my Plan With Me videos. I also do DIYs and cards if you're new. And welcome beauty if you are new. Let me know again in the comments below if you are new, and all your Halloween fun. Okay, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.